Hello everybody, this is LMJ, it's all about everything, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pixel art gumball machine. Okay, let's get started. So on the bottom here, we're going to make 4 squares right here. And now we're going to do 3 on each side diagonally up from the 4 squares. Now we're going to do 2 here and 2 here, just as the same style as these 3. And now we're going to do 1 up diagonally from each of the 2. Okay, now we're going to do 6 up from each of the 1 squares here that we did on each of the sides. Okay, now we're going to do 3 horizontally from here, and we're going to connect these 2 with 6. Okay, now we're going to do 1 up diagonally from these, and then we're going to do 6 up from these on each side. Now we're going to do 2 up, 1 diagonally, and 2 horizontally. Now we're going to connect these with 6 squares as usual. And okay, now we're going to start interacting with this line of 6 squares, because we're going to do the middle 2 of these. We're going to count down 1 square, and then we're going to do 2 there. And we're going to do down here and another 2 down, like that. Now we're going to do the same thing that we did here, but like that. Okay. Now we're going to count another 2 down from here, and we're going to do some black here. Okay, now we're going to start doing the lines. So first we'll do them vertically. Oh, sorry about that line there. And I got out of bounds. Okay, now we're going to do it horizontally. Man, another out of bounds with that thing. I am not accurate with this stuff. Okay, now we're done. So now we're going to start making the gumballs. So really, this is sort of, you can do this freely, but basically what you have to do is do like 2 by 2 squares here to make the gumballs. And you have to kind of overlap them so they're like this. You see, like some of these, like this one is over this one, so basically you can do that freely however you want, because doesn't exactly have to be very accurate. Okay, so now we're going to do 2 horizontal lines here, 2 vertical lines here, because that's the gray part where the candy comes out. Okay, now we're going to start coloring, and first we're going to color the base red. So here we go. And again, you can color this gumball machine any color you want. But yeah, so it's kind of not very necessary to color this red. You can color it green or yellow or whatever color. Okay, now we're gonna start coloring the gumballs. You can color these any color you want. Just make it sort of attractive colors because you don't want your gumballs to be black or brown, or you know what I mean, right? And you can color a lot of the same color like I just did. Okay, so now we're gonna color the edges black. Sorry about that delay, I just looking for my black marker. Oh, and I forgot, we also have to, I'm so sorry, we have to color the blank parts that we did with the lines. So here we'll color this little space gray and these two squares gray. Because that's like the metal, like this is the knob you turn and this is where the candy comes out. So, sorry about that. Okay, we're almost done. Just need to color these few top lines and then we'll be done with the gumball machine. And we're done, people. There you have it, your pixel art gumball machine. Okay, that concludes this video for today. This is LMJ's, all about everything pixel art. Peace out.